Hello babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make these beautiful thread curries. Okay, let's dive into the video. So to achieve these thread curries, I'm going to be using this thread. It can be longer than this, it can be shorter than this, but trust me, one of the good tips when it comes to making or achieving a good thread curry is to make sure you don't have a thin thread. Make sure your thread is thick enough. It will be easier for you to wrap and it will be easier for you to drag. So I'll first secure here, that way while I'm wrapping it doesn't get loose. Then I'll go ahead to kind of like, wrap the thread around the braids loosely. You don't want to do this tightly, because if you do this tightly, it will be difficult for you to pull it up. You guys will see what I'm talking about.
The tasty things I've waited many hours. A tiny red cake. Yeah, you won't leave the house without it. I fear you might fly away from here. You won't make a sound about it. No. Baby, let me blow your mind. No, you never had no one like me. I can show.
Okay, so when I get to the place where I want to stop, I use my right hand to hold the thread and I use my left hand to hold the braids, and then I start pulling up gently. You don't want to do this in a very fast manner. You need to pull up gently. Okay, like I said guys, if you wrap the thread around the braids tightly, it's not going to be easy for you to pull it up. So you need to wrap the thread around the braids loosely. You need to give enough space. This is me trying to show you guys how to do it again. Guys, this is actually very easy to do. You can use an extension or attachment to do this in case you don't have a thread. You can just take a thick enough piece of attachment or extension and still achieve this kind of curries. And there's another tips guys. So as I'm wrapping the thread around the extension, I'm also folding the extension. That way the curries will get really defined. You can still go ahead and just wrap it around, but I like twisting the extension while wrapping the thread around it. Okay babies, so if you've made it this far, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. Hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Trust me guys, your engagement will help push out my videos and to encourage me so that I'll be putting out more tips like this. Thank you guys. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and put my leave-in conditioner into a bowl, pour my hot boiling water into a bowl, and then dip the wig into the hot water. I would have put only the tips, the places where I rode with my thread, but I just wanted to just dip the whole thing into the hot water. So this is the hair after I let it dry off for some time. Guys, when you're done dipping it into hot water, you need to let it dry off. That way it will give you a tighter crease that won't scatter in the next few weeks or so. So when you're done dipping it into hot water, please leave it to air dry for at least 2 hours. This is the final look, babies. Thank you for watching. Bye.